Hey Alex, it's a great question about who you can send over from Real Geeks to Mailbox Power if you want to filter it by tags. I believe you can do that. Let me show you. So I'm going to activate this sync. I've already added both these accounts, so I'm just going to select them. But yeah, if you watch that other video, the how to set up the Real Geeks and Mailbox Power, it'll show you exactly how to connect both these apps, but it's pretty self-explanatory. You can see here, sync all contacts on first run. Could be helpful just in case you have some people already tagged in your Real Geeks. With the tag you want to send them into Mailbox Power. Choose the group if you like, or they can just go into default kind of anywhere. I'm going to put these people in my Real Geeks and hit subscribe. Okay, so when you hit subscribe, it creates the sync, but it's not yet active. You have to hit this to activate it. And then we can come on down here. You can see we're syncing all contacts on first run, but we can filter this further. There's this awesome filter tool. So you can hit here, and then you can filter on all these different fields, including tags. So if you have a certain tag, I believe you had something about transaction is finished, transaction is completed. You can do it that way. You can also do it based on status. So if it was a status instead of a tag, you moved them over into a completed transaction. You can do it that way. I would probably do contains if I'm doing tags, because people put multiple tags on there. And so you do tags, contains, completed. And then if any of the tags are completed, listed as completed, then it'll go ahead and send that contact over there. So yeah, that's what I do. And you could do it that way, or you could do it based on source, source equals pending, or source equals finished. Whatever the source is in Real Geeks. You're going to want to double check in Real Geeks. Make sure you have the exact wording of the source or the tag that you're using. But yeah, you can use this filter tool to do the job you're talking about. Hope that helps.